So I've said this before that sometimes we get products that I'm just like, really? This is something that you want me to take a look at? And today's one of those days because for a lot of you that have that actually know me, and those that watch the channel a lot, you'll probably realize, I like computer stuff and I like tech stuff and photography stuff and video stuff, but I'm not mechanically inclined in regards to like, hey, how do you fix a car? Or, hey, how do you put up a fence? Or how do you... Nope. It's probably just because I really don't have that much of an interest in it. Not that I couldn't do it, but when you have no interest in it, you just don't put effort into it, right? But these guys here, Alloyman, they reached out and said, hey, would you like to show some of our new tools on the channel? And I was like, sure. I don't have much for tools, nor do I honestly have a lot of experience with tools. For me, if they work, that's really all I care about. And I do have an impact wrench, but it's a corded impact wrench, and it's only really something that I use really twice a year. And it's when I'm changing my tires from summers to winters. Old rims off, new ones on, winter tires. Which has to happen this month because, well, it's October. And usually I put them on end of October, beginning of November, just because I want to get it before the snow happens. So we're going to take a look at their website. And then we're going to bring up the Alloyman impact wrench. Take a look at it, and then I'm gonna go change my tires, and we'll let you know what we think. Okay, so first off, here's their website right here, Alloyman Brushless Impact Wrench. Now that's what I got, but that's not the only tools they have. As you can see here, 6-inch mini chainsaw, an impact wrench. Maybe I got, yeah, it was the impact wrench. That's what I got. Dual battery-driven leaf blower, electric spin scrubber. Some stuff like that. A reciprocating saw. Now the saw would be kind of cool. I would be down for this saw. I could probably see some usages for that for sure. But the one I was like, hey, I don't really have anything like that. And because I do use an impact wrench, that could be useful, right? Because especially with tires, I find that once they've been on all winter or whatever, sometimes they rust on, especially on the tires we have or the rims we have. So impact can kind of break that seal a little bit, which is kind of nice. So I get them on to where I need it, and then I usually use like a torque wrench just to get them up to spec. All right, what does it say? What does it say about this? Impact wrench utilizes brushless motor. Cool. 2,000 RPM is its peak. Power your work and equipment. See, they're using it for exactly what I would use it for. Shop now up to 50% off. Only $99. That's really good because I'm pretty sure I paid that or more maybe for my wired one. Normally retails, it says at $200. There's 3,200 units available, and 2,900 have been sold already. So get on there. Free delivery, 1-year warranty, 30-day guarantee, etc., etc. You guys, I will put their Alloyman. It's alloymantools.com. So if any of those tools that we showed you, you're like, well, that's cool, then there you go. And like I said, I may be interested in that saw. That's cool. This really does look like another brand. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Just the color. I'm not going to say which one, but it really has that feel. But it feels really built. Like the casing is very retail-like. So they put some money and effort into that. Alloyman Powerful Tools. They like seeing powerful tools. 1-year warranty. Includes 1 battery at, I guess it says it's 4,0, so 4,000 amp hours. 4 amp hours. I don't know what that means. So I'm going to say 4 amp hours. Okay. 20 volt lithium ion battery. 480 foot-pounds of torque. Good. I'm sure you guys know more about what those specs mean than I do. So this side, Same stuff. Same stuff. Okay, and then you just tear this apart, I guess. Just Hercules it out. I don't know why I said Hercules, but Hercules. Hercules. All right, there it is. There's the box, right? Alloyman, 20 volt. And I think, 20 volts should be fine. It really only started getting into bigger, like 40s and 60s and 80s into like not high-end products, but products that need a lot of power. Like our snowblower is 60 and our lawnmower is 80. No, that's not right. Our lawnmower is 40, sorry. And our snowblower is 60. So 20, I think, was very, very reasonable for this, I would think. And then you open it up. We'll just, again, turn it this way. Maybe I'll turn it this way. Nope, turning it this way because I can't necessarily see what's going on. So you do get a instruction manual. Yes. Looks like a good instruction manual. Comes in a couple languages. For me, as long as it comes in English, I'm very happy. There's going to be your battery charger. It's not heavy by any means, but it doesn't need to be for a battery charger. Okay, I'm guessing green light when it's charged, red light when it's charging. Yes, yes. You get a, what? Oh, these are all your different, what do they call this? All the different sizes. The, I don't know what they call these. See, I told you I'm not like a tool guy. I'm not a tool guy, but I know what these are. These are sockets. See, I got it. These are your different size sockets, and these are going to be all large sizes, of course, for different cars. So we have a Hyundai Tucson. So I'm guessing it'll be in here the size we need. If not, I have that size, so we're good. Oh, I like this. That's nice. It comes with like the extensions, so you can, get it into like tight spots, which is nice. Yeah. So you got your different extensions, bunch of them, right? Because they're just kind of plugged into each other, and then you get an extra long one here. Sweet. So you get three different sizes really, and they can all kind of snap into each other to make one really large one if you so need that, right? And then they can all pull apart, and then you got three small ones. This is your battery. They're big on just stickering it all up, any power at all? Oh, maybe I might have full power actually. And here's your impact wrench. Yes. This is cool because like we have like drills and screwdrivers, wrenches upstairs. But I'll be honest with you, they're like the cheapest ones you could possibly find anywhere. So it's got some weight, and usually impact wrenches do. Oh yeah. Oh, little light on the front. Yes. Oh yes, sir. Yeah, I would guess our battery's full charge. Yeah, because you can. Where is it here? It's there somewhere. There it is. All 3 green lights. Look at that. Yes. Click. Get that little spinny. Where am I? Spinny guy there. Maybe you can focus. Yes, sir. Oh, I like that. That'll work. That'll work quite well. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Well, I'm not changing the tires today because the weather's crappy out. So I will take this out, change my tires because it needs to be done, and then I'll come back and I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. The question is, does the battery, which I'll fully charge up, but will it charge the whole, or will it function for the whole thing, right? That's my question. All right, let's go outside. All right, guys, it is raining outside, and I want to change the tires using the new impact drill, I guess. Anyways, there's the Tucson right there, and it's got the summer tires on it. So I need to, you may be able to see them. They're way back there. There's the winters. So what I'm going to have to do, I was going to film, no, I'm going to sit under this tree. I was going to film actually installing them, but because of the fact that I have a pretty short window between rain and not rain, and possibility that it's supposed to snow this coming weekend. So I'm not gonna film it. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it to take them off, because normally I just have I just use like a normal wrench, and I have a torque wrench, which I will use to torque them at the end. But I'm gonna use the new impact to see how it works, and see if it can do all 4 tires before on one charge. So I'll be back once it's done. I just don't know if it's gonna be done today or tomorrow, but it has to be done before the weekend, because there's a chance we could get snow. So I'll be back. It is done. The tires are on. It worked. It did what it was supposed to do. It's on the charger right now. You guys can see, maybe there's the car. I don't know if you can see the wheels. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. Anyways, yeah, you know what? It did what it was supposed to do. I don't know what else to tell you. It's charging. It lasted for the whole thing. We were able to do all 4 tires. I think the key now will be more about like in the spring, because in the spring, of course, the nuts or whatever have a higher tendency of kind of rusting on, so making sure that it can, you know, break that apart. But I don't think it'll have any issue. It seems to have plenty of power. I torque them up with a torque wrench, of course, and usually what I'll do is I'll drive them around for, I don't know, 100 kilometers, a couple days, just around town, and then re-torque them, and we should be good. But yeah, like I said, I have an impact drill, but it's wired, and you can see where my shed is, and any available plugs are not close. So having the wireless, or the cordless, I guess, not wireless, cordless, useful. And last night it got cold, so it was good. You can see frost on the windshield right there. So I'm glad we got it done now, because currently it's -2, but it's supposed to get warmer, a little warmer. It's supposed to go up to like +10. But here's the only thing I don't like. I wish they would have spent a little bit more money on, is the actual case. So the actual case that it all comes in, the case itself is good, but the actual clamps that, you know, your brackets that you hold it, the buckles, are made of plastic, a little flimsy. I could see those possibly breaking. Big issue? Well, if they break, it's an issue. So I guess we'll see over time. If there's any negatives that I see after using this some more down the road, I'll leave comments below. Alright guys, that's it. I'm out. Later.